Ever heard the saying your money should work for you? That's the dream, right? Investing your hard-earned cash and seeing it grow over time. But with so many investment options out there, it can be confusing to figure out which ones will actually deliver that sweet return. Today, we're diving deep into Spaceship, a popular investing platform in Australia. Specifically, we're tackling the question, does Spaceship pay dividends? This might seem like a simple question, but the answer has some interesting twists and turns. So, buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and let's explore the world of Spaceship investing. Understanding dividends, a crash course. Before we delve into Spaceship, let's take a quick detour to understand what dividends are all about. Imagine you own a slice of a company, like a tiny pizza slice. If that company does well and makes a profit, it might decide to share some of that success with its owners, that's you. This share of the profits is called a dividend. Dividends are typically paid out quarterly or annually, and they can be a great way to generate a passive income stream from your investments. Spaceship and dividends, a unique approach. Now, back to Spaceship. Unlike some traditional investment platforms, Spaceship doesn't directly pay out dividends to its users. Here's the catch: Spaceship invests your money in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for you. These ETFs are essentially baskets of different stocks, all bundled together. The reinvestment hustle. So, where do the dividends go? Well, Spaceship takes a different approach. When the underlying companies in those ETFs pay dividends, Spaceship automatically reinvests that money back into the ETF. This means your investment keeps growing, potentially leading to a higher overall return in the long run. Think of it like compound interest on steroids. Benefits of reinvestment. There are some compelling advantages to this strategy. First, it saves you the hassle of managing those dividend payments yourself. No need to worry about transferring them to another account or figuring out how to spend them. Second, reinvestment allows for a process called compounding. Basically, your returns start earning even more returns over time, snowballing your investment growth. The flip side of the coin. Of course, there's always another side to the story. While reinvestment can be powerful, it also means you don't have immediate access to that dividend income. Some investors prefer the flexibility of receiving those payouts and using them as they see fit. Additionally, with reinvestment, you don't get to choose where that money goes. Spaceship decides which assets within the ETF to purchase with the dividends. Finding the right fit. So, is the Spaceship approach right for you? It depends on your individual investment goals. If you're looking for a hands-off, long-term growth strategy, reinvestment can be a great option. But if you prioritize having control over your dividends or need a source of regular income, Spaceship might not be the best fit. Beyond dividends, considering the bigger picture. Remember, dividends are just one piece of the investment puzzle. Spaceship offers a variety of low-cost ETFs with different risk profiles and investment objectives. It's important to consider your risk tolerance, investment timeline, and overall financial goals when choosing an investment platform. Exploring your options. Do some research, compare Spaceship to other platforms, and make an informed decision. There are plenty of resources available online and even financial advisors who can help you navigate the world of investing. The takeaway. While Spaceship doesn't directly pay out dividends, their reinvestment strategy offers a compelling alternative for long-term growth. Whether it's the right choice for you depends on your individual goals. So, weigh the pros and cons, do your research, and chart your course to a brighter financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.